Alright folks, there's Cedar Falls, tallest waterfall in southern Illinois. Tallest free falling. They say Burden Falls is the tallest, I guess, leveled waterfall. Very cool. Very, very cool. Group picture. Alright. We got the main attraction. Walk behind it. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah. Alright, we got the squeeze here. Got the squeeze.
Oh, I love that smell.
Yeah. Alright, moving on up to deluxe apartment in the sky.
We rub it in.
Some roadside bluffage as we make our way back across this bridge. Glad that bridge is there.
Mushroom gills?
Yep. Oh, they're driving through. Yeah.
That's the one.
Okay, yeah.
That's the one that has a lot of control.
Alrighty, folks. That's pretty much the hike. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.